Welcome to Ngobotente Shop I channel. Thank you so much for making sure that you support the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobotente Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1 AS far 1. It's a cave champion. My brother, how's it?
I'm good to know what you say.
Fine, thanks, man. Yeah, you look a little bit mild, not happy, not worried. Are you good?
Kaspira rabara, we tingling,
You're tingling, eh?
we tingling, dude.
Yeah.
Because what I can say is that the play was good, but the midfield, it's actually down. Like we need our key player.
Yeah.
I feel like they know, we know, I know, my moms know that we need that one key player to actually fix that everything.
Is there a specific player or maybe any other? Maybe you want to sign more, or is it Zwane?
We know,
I know you want
we
Zwane.
know.
Yeah.
Themba Zwane is our key player, our captain, our man, like everything.
Yeah.
I feel like the time the men are like actually gonna come up to the starting lineup and everything. Everything is gonna be well. But if he died, then I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like we're big. We're more big than the word Mamelodi Sundowns.
So you wanted to be number one tonight?
Yes, obviously.
Yes, I know this is not my mind.
I mean,
yes,
like, I don't know, like I should say this or what, but along the road, like Mabagani, like what were you saying?
I get now when le mabagani vele le computer good, le computer more high, le computer away. So you have to raise that bar. You don't have a choice.
Exactly. It's all about envious.
Exactly.
As long envious does so, you have to do better.
Exactly.
And by the time we do better.
Yeah.
Since as early as possible.
Exactly.
I don't know like whether I get a died or but the key players like Ribeiro, Alende and stuff, but we're missing.
Yeah. No, let's hope that they've learned from this, and maybe it was a game plan from as supporters we don't know what is the coach's game plan. Maybe this was the game plan.
Yeah. Actually, I think it's actually part of the system, eh?
Exactly.
Let's just trust the process.
Beautiful.
Let's hope we better Club World Cup and Nedbank and stuff because the new coach seems promising.
Yeah.
So like I don't know much about him, but I trust him.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Congratulations tonight and all the best in future.
Thank you too.
Hola. Keep well.
Thank you, Madam.